Dear friends, welcome to the lecture of ordinary differential equations. In this lecture, we shall solve problems on linear equations or linear differential equations of first order and first degree. Now, see in our earlier lecture, we have seen the method to solve linear differential equation. So, equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where q and p and q are functions of x or constant, is linear equation. Its if is integrating factor is e to the power integral p dx, and solution is y into if. This we have studied in our earlier lecture or previous lecture. Y into if is equal to integral q into if or if into q dx plus c. So, these things are to be remembered for a linear differential equation. Now, we shall solve the problems. I have written the problems here. Solution for the first problem. We first have to write the given differential equation in this form: dy by dx plus py is equal to q, and the coefficient of dy by dx must be 1. So, we have to make this coefficient 1, means we have to divide the equation by cos square x, and the given differential equation is after dividing by cos square x, I shall write it directly: dy by dx plus 1 upon cos square will be sec square x into y, and is equal to tan x divided by cos square x, means tan x into sec square x, dividing by cos square x. So, you can understand it, and this equation is in this form: dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So, this is the value of p and this is the value of q, and we write comparing this with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. We get p is equal to sec square x and q is tan x into sec square x. Now, the method we have seen, and the procedure is now can be fixed, as after writing the values of p and q, we directly write the integrating factor. So, therefore, integrating factor is equal to if, in short we shall write e to the power integral p dx, and that means e to the power integral, what is the value of p is sec square x into dx, and we know what is integration of sec square x, that is tan x. So, direct formula. So, therefore, it is e to the power tan x is the if, and after getting if, we now can write the solution directly using this working rule for linear equation. Therefore, the solution is given by. So, what is the solution? Y into if, or we may write the solution again in the form and then put the value of c. The solution is given by y into if is equal to integral q into if into dx plus c. That is y. What is if? If is e power tan x, and therefore, that will be y into e power tan x, and right side is integration of q. What is q? That for this equation we have written earlier q, and that was tan x divided by cos square x, means tan x sec square x, or I shall write the integrating factor first, this term first, that is e power tan x, and then the q value is tan x into sec square x. This is our q into dx plus constant of integration. So this is the solution that can be simplified. Further we have to evaluate this value, and to evaluate the integral on right side, see it is integration of e power tan x into sec square x. So we can make use substitution of this. By observation we see the substitution should be for tan x, because the derivative of tan x is sec square x, and if you put tan x is equal to t, so put tan x is equal to t. On the integration on RHS we use the substitution. In integration on RHS, put tan x is equal to t, and we know the method of substitution for integration. Differentiate this. So what is the derivative of tan x is sec square x into differential of x is equal to dt. So therefore this becomes, we may suppose we have not numbered earlier, so we may suppose this as 1. So therefore from 1 what we get is no change in the left side, y e power tan x. We keep this as it is, only we make the substitution on RHS, and that is integration e power tan x is t e power t, and this tan x is again t, and this sec square x dx is dt plus a constant. Or we may take this integral separately, evaluate it and substitute its value in 1. In that way also we can do. And further I shall write the further steps here itself. This is y e to the power tan x is equal to, now how to evaluate this integral? This is product, and so therefore it should be evaluated by parts, and according to the rule of choice of function LIATE, exponentially should be the second function and this algebraic is the first function. So I shall write this first as t into e power t dt plus c, and that is integrating by part. I shall keep the left side same. So integrating by part, what we shall get, the rule of integration by part is first function, that is t, integration of second dt minus integration derivative of the first dt by dt, integration of the second. So this much is the rule of integration by part plus constant c as it is, integrating by parts. Finally we have to replace the value of t. Next we should write the integration of this e power t. Integration of e power t, we know it is again e power t, and derivative of this t with respect to t is 1, that is t e power t minus this is 1 into, again integration of e power t is e power t, again its integration is the same e power t plus c, or this can be taken common, e to the power t is common, t minus 1 remains, and finally we put the value of t. T is tan x, so that is e power tan x in bracket tan x minus 1 plus c, and left side is y into e power tan x. Now see, we can divide both side by e power tan x, or that means we multiply by e power negative tan x, that is y is equal to, you divide it, this term eliminate, and what remains is tan x minus 1, but this c constant must be multiplied by or divided by e power tan x, or that can be written as c into e power negative tan x. This is the solution, or this is the general solution, and thus we have solved the first problem. So so it is easy to solve linear equations, but we must remember the exact form of the linear equation. Then what is the integrating factor? what is the solution rule for its solution. Now one more problem we shall solve is, and that is the second is, so again that equation must be put in the form of a linear equation, standard form, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So I shall write the solution for second. The given differential equation is dy by dx coefficient must be 1, and therefore we divide throughout by x square plus 1, and that I shall write as dy by dx plus 2x divided by x square plus 1 into y. I should write separate, dy by dx plus py, and is equal to right side is 4x square divided by x square plus 1, and thus this is linear differential equation. This is linear D with what is the value of p? This is the value of p. P is equal to 2x divided by x square plus 1, and q is 4x square divided by x square plus 1. So after writing the values of p and q, putting the equation in standard form and writing the value of p and q, we should write the integrating factor. Therefore if is e to the power integral p dx, or that is e to the power integral p is this value 2x divided by x square plus 1 into dx. Now how to integrate it? See, it is of the form f dash x divided by fx. Derivative of the denominator is 2x, which is at the numerator, and therefore the integration is log of denominator, and that is e to the power log of. So rules and methods and formulae from integration are necessary to solve differential equation, because to solve differential equation means actually to integrate it, and therefore the methods of integration and the formula of integration we must remember. So this is by the rule or by the formula, actually integral f dash x divided by fx dx is log of fx, means log of denominator, log of x square plus 1, and this e and log are inverse of each other, they cancel, and we get this as if as equal to, so if is x square plus 1. This is if. Once we get if, we can write the solution. Now the solution is, so therefore the solution is given by this rule. Y into if, we may write the rule is equal to integral if into q, or q into if dx plus constant. Now see, what we require is q and if. Q is here and if is this one. So that is y into x square plus 1 is integral again x square plus 1, and q is 4x square divided by x square plus 1 into dx plus constant, substituting the value of if and q in the rule or in the solution, and now it is easy to evaluate it. Integral, see, this remains as it is, and what happens on the right side, this term cancels, divides out. So y into x square plus 1 is equal to integration of 4x square dx plus a constant. And what is integration of x square? 4 is constant, that can be written easily. It is 4, integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus a constant. So this is actually the solution, or we can shift this term on that side, etc., but not necessary. So we may write this is the solution. The general solution. So we have solved the second problem. Now these problems I have written for you to solve or for your practice. So because unless and until you solve the problems yourself, you can't understand or you can't remember the method, formula, etc. So it is very important to solve the problems. So you should solve the problem. Use and you first see how we have solved the problems, and using the same steps you should try to solve these problems. The answers I have written. So this is to be written in the standard form. Write the value of, here we have to divide by x first, then write the value of PQ, write IF, write solution. So these two are easy. But for the third example, in that example, see, it is to be expressed. Here hint is given. It is it will not be a linear D in y, but it will be a linear differential equation in x. So we should express this equation in this form. How to express that is also easy, and for that purpose we can write for third example, dy by dx we can write as first y divided by x plus 2y cube, and but we want dx by dy. So taking reciprocal, we get dx by dy is x plus 2y cube divided by y. And now that the right side can be separated. Terms of the numerator can be separated, parts can be separated, and the equation can be put in this form. See, this can be written as x upon y plus 2y cube upon y will be 2y square. And now you shift this term on the left side, that will be dx by dy minus x 1 by y into x and is equal to 2y square. So which is of the form dx by dy plus p1, this will with negative sign, this will be p1 and this will be q1, and the rule we have written in our earlier lecture. So it is similar to this, interchange x and y. Interchange x and y in this equation, linear equation, and the if etc. we will get the solution for this, and the answer is written here. So please try to solve these problems yourself. Thank you.